1970 Pontiac Tempest two-door hardtop here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And listen to this, original mile car, just shy of 63,000 original miles on it. It's a three-owner car. Consignor of this vehicle, his father bought it back in 1972 from the original owner. So original owner, the father, and the son. Three-owner car. Protecto plate still with it in the glove box, and that will go to the next owner. Appears to have had a repaint. Palladium silver, paint code 14, original color of this car. It may be just a tad darker now. Original interior, black vinyl. 350 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with the 3-speed manual transmission. Take a look at the chrome. Good shape up front on this one. Now, if you want to see the still pictures, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. And as you can see, that paint has a nice shine to it. It's riding on Krager SS wheels, radial tires. Technician did note the tire is a little bit older, from 2006, but in nice shape. Just to give you an idea of the date code of those. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see panels nice and straight on this one. Take a peek at the interior. We'll get around to the driver's side and I'll show you that. So bench seat up front. Seat belt still intact. Of course, you have one receiver for the shoulder belt and the lap belt. And as you can see, aftermarket AC. AC did not blow real cold, technician also noted, but it appears everything is there and functioning. Just doesn't blow real cold. Maybe needs another charge or a charge. Dual exhaust, complete from the rear to the front. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. And again, you can see how nice that paint shows throughout this car. It is going to come with a car cover and also what appears to be the original Tempest wheel covers. There's an oil filter in there, a couple miscellaneous things. We'll go along with the car, and once again, all those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Chrome in the rear bumper, also looking good. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Couple touch-up spots that I noticed, nothing real major. Nice job as far as matching the paint, if I can find them back. There they are. A couple little spots there, maybe a couple down along the edge of the door, and a couple where the rocks have been kicked up and just chipped a little bit in the rear lower quarters. But again, nothing crazy as far as major nicks, dings, or scratches. If you like these 70s Pontiacs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. That can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Cool part about these is you just don't see the Tempest and Le Mans as much, and well, that's due to the fact there's probably more GTOs on the road now than there were when there was produced, with clones and tributes and what have you. Door panel looking good, and again, according to that third owner, original interior, and judging by the looks, that is very easily believable, as well as the original mile car. No rips, tears, holes, anything major in the interior. Headliner looking good. All right. I have had the wipers work. I have not had the radio power up, just so you're aware of that. Let's check it out. There it is, 62,933. Let's go ahead and fire this up. And that's how quick it has started every time I turn that key. It's unbelievable. Fires right up. Top of the dash, good shape. And aftermarket AC unit underneath the dash. And take a listen. Nice, idle, nice, deep, throaty exhaust note. Wow, that sounds good. You want to get into one of these without breaking the bank and spending GTO money and still have a car that's just as fun to drive. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. This will do the job, no doubt about that. All right, I'm going to take a peek underneath the hood with you. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take it for a drive. I'm pretty sure I know how this one's going to go down the road. All right, hood pop. Just as clean underneath that hood as the rest of the car. And again, in the still pictures, you're going to be able to see the underside of this one. Check it out. There it is, battery disconnect down here. Does have a new battery in it. Power steering, AC, 350 V8 paired up with that manual transmission, 3-speed on the column. It also has 4 new wheel cylinders. Brakes in the front are new, 80% in the rear. And again, original mile, 3-owner car, 1970 Pontiac Tempest, 2-door hardtop. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1970 Pontiac Tempest. You don't hear about Tempests quite as much as you do a GTO or a Le Mans, but they're in the family. This one looks really good in that silver paint job with the GTO scoops on the hood. 3 on the tree manual transmission. Have you seen one of these? A 1970 with a 3 on the tree. Just drive it like a stick, it's still quick. Very nice acceleration, smooth throttle, smooth running car. The speedometer's working as it should. We have a clock right here on the right side. The fuel gauge is showing clear full. That may be accurate, it may not. Take a look at the retail report. We have the data and with our pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. The rest would be warning lights for the temperature of the generator and the oil. The blower motor works up here, and the blower motor also works down below on a separate unit, and the wipers are working on this car. We have the optional shoulder belts that you can wear with your lap belt for the seat. Original looking bench seat interior. Shifting down to second for the roundabout. Brakes are nice and smooth. Very quiet ride. Doesn't have any squeaks or rattles or noises that I'm hearing. Very good acceleration. Coming out of the... Oh, hold on. There was one rattle. And it is a hidden bolt in the ashtray. Pay no mind to the hidden bolt in the ashtray. We're going to leave that in the video just for fun. Very fun to drive 1970 Pontiac Tempest. When's the last time you saw a Tempest, first of all? A 1970 and a 3 on the tree. This car is a little bit special and very fun to drive. Take a look at all the pictures of it at uniqueclassiccars.com.